Fetch forth your favorite 9 by 9 inch glass baking dish and liberally lube said vessel with no stick spray. That should do it. Now, we will turn our attention to assembling the dry team. I'm going to do the flour, at least, by weight. We're going to need 9 ounces of cake flour. Now, if you're a volumetric kind of cook, we're talking about 2 cups here. But remember, cake flour is a fine mill, and it will compact a great deal, and that will throw things off. So I really would weigh it if I were you. There. That'll do. And we'll follow that with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and half a teaspoon also of ground ginger. Now, whisk to combine. The wet team begins with 2 ounces of unsalted butter in the work bowl of your mixer, paddle attached. We will then add 5 1/4 ounces, that's about 3/4 of a cup, of granulated sugar. We will apply medium speed for about 1 minute or until this mixture is nice and fluffy. Now, if you are a faithful Good Eats fan, you will easily recognize this. Is it A, the sponge method, B, the muffin method, or C, the creaming method? That's right, C. If you said A or B, perhaps you should stop reading so many comic books and watch more television. Oh, thank you, chicken. 1 egg right into the mix and return to medium speed. When the eggs have been absorbed and the mixture is nice and creamy, turn the mixer down to its lowest setting and we'll start adding the dry team in small doses. It'll take about 3 installments. And we're going to alternate that with 3 installments of 1/2 cup of milk. Why bother with the installments? Because it will result in a smoother batter, and a smoother batter will make for a better buckle. Time for the blues. 15 ounces or 3 cups of either fresh or frozen blueberries. Stir them in gently. Now, when I use frozen berries for this, I like to add them in their frozen state because they're less likely to burst. And then I just pan up the batter and let it sit for half an hour so that they can thaw in the cake. Now, one of the things that distinguishes coffee cakes, including buckles, is a crisp topping called a streusel. We combine 3 1/2 ounces of sugar, it's about 1/2 cup. There. 1 1/2 ounces of cake flour, that's about 1/3 of a cup. And 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And yes, I always do this fresh. I keep one of these in my pocket just for this occasion. There. Next, we need 2 ounces of unsalted butter. Oh, cubed, please. Thank you. I love this refrigerator. Work the butter into your dry ingredients using either a fork or just your fingers. Say, is this the A, the cookie method, B, the biscuit method, or C, the strudel method? That's right, it's B, the biscuit method. You have been paying attention. I'm proud of you. There, that's a good texture. Now just sprinkle that right on top of the cake. Do not pack it down. You want it nice and loose. There we go. Perfect. Park in the middle of a 375-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown and delicious. There you can see all the little nooks and crannies that give the buckle its name. You know, I just can't think of anything better for breakfast. Unless pie.